Hello? Hello? The 1990s are calling. Yeah, and they want their Tamagotchis and dial-up internet back. You've got mail. Okay, bye. Alright, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Crocheting with Yarn for Brains. I know it's a silly name, but it's the truth. Today, I wanted to share with you some awesome 90s patterns. Technically, they're not from the 90s. They're just 90s feeling patterns. There's these like grunge feeling crop tops with lots of brown and green. And the 1990s were all about grunge and showing your midriff if you had the bod for it. If you had that beach body, you could get away with it. I found this eyeball sweater that I thought had like a grunge feel to it. I actually bought this pattern and I'm gonna give it a try. I will let you know how that turned out at the end of the video. I also found this darling little lamb chop. Oh, this is the song that never ends. How could I have ever forgotten that song? It just goes on, my friend. Oops, I'm so sorry if you start singing that for the rest of your week. All right, now let's talk about something a little more whimsical. I just felt like anything celestial had like a 90s vibe. There's this crochet granny square bag and an adorable moon pillow. This adorable crochet moon pillow is another perfect example of a pattern that would be great for some velvet yarn. So I've been really wanting to make this. Next up, scrunchies. And not just any scrunchies, crochet scrunchies. These are velvet. It would be perfect to make some scrunchies with this silver Bernat velvet that I have. This one is called Smoky Green. It has a silver sheen to it, so I'm gonna make a couple of those. Now, I never really got into the furby thing. I don't know why. It was one of those things that just kind of passed me by. But looking at these guys, I can totally understand the obsession. They are so adorably cute. Look at these two. So cute. Oh my gosh, these trolls. Don't you remember when everybody was collecting all those little trolls with the funny hair? Oh, how cute is that? Like, honestly, that was super cute. And I know that since then they've made lots of troll cartoons and movies, but those little guys, those little plastic guys, and you can crochet one now because look at this pattern. How can you not want to make this? Making that hair would be pretty fun. Oh my goodness. The chokers, like this choker was so... that plastic swirly choker that everybody used to wear in the 90s. Now you can crochet chokers. You can get so creative with these. If you look up crochet chokers, you're gonna find like billions. It's so crazy. They're so fast and easy to work up, and you can make them super cute and frilly, or you can make them kind of like grunge or gothic style. There's so many things you can do with these, and it's just fun to make your own jewelry. This daisy granny square I thought felt really 90s to me, especially with these colors, although I know this granny square could be like 60s, 70s if you give it that more of those 70s colors. Oh, this Inspector Gadget trio is just impressive. There's so many details and it looks exactly like them. I know it's kind of strange, but it's like spot on, and I just thought it was like definitely worth admiring. I really just love admiring what people come up with. Oh, the lava lamps, like, aren't those so fun? Like, I know people still have them. I've seen these at the store too recently. You can still buy lava lamps. They're really cool. I just am afraid to actually have one because my cats would knock that over right away. like no doubt about that. So this tapestry, wall tapestry for crocheting a lava lamp, you get that same vibe. Ah, real monsters. I mean, look at these guys. Crochet your own adorable little monsters. These completely bring back the feeling of watching that cartoon back in the day. Weirdly adorable. And last but certainly not least, we have this little labyrinth worm. Isn't he the cutest? He's the little guy in the wall that says, hello. And then she says, did you say hello? And he says, no, I said hello. But anyway, remember those Tamagotchis? Yeah, I don't think we can crochet those, but they're fun to remember. I know you can still buy them. I've seen them in Best Buy like not that long ago, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want them so bad. My friend had like 10 of them on a key ring. She was like, oh my gosh, can you babysit my Tamagotchis this weekend? She was like going out of town and she wanted me to feed them all and stuff, and I was like, I don't know if I can keep up with this task. That's a lot to ask. Yeah. But I did it, and it was so cool. I was like, wow, I wish I could have that many Tamagotchis. I think I had like 2. Whether you're into grunge, celestial vibe, or straight up 90s nostalgia, there's something here for everyone. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time. Almost forgot. Look at this. This is that eyeball sweater that I started. So right now, I've got the eyeball done, and now I'm gonna turn it into a square and then work up the rest of the cardigan. So once I get that done, I'll let you know. It's probably gonna be in my next video.